The weekend is often seen as a time to unwind and recharge after a hectic week. However, it's also an excellent opportunity to invest in activities that contribute to a healthy life. Balancing relaxation with physical and mental well-being can help you feel more energized and prepared for the week ahead. Here's how you can make the most of your weekend for a healthier life. Prioritize physical activity. Physical activity is essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and weekends provide the perfect opportunity to engage in exercises that might be harder to fit into your weekday schedule. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a hike in nature, or a session at the gym, moving your body can help reduce stress, improve cardiovascular health, and boost your mood. Try to incorporate both cardio and strength training exercises to get a well-rounded workout. Eat nourishing meals. Weekends are a great time to focus on your diet. Instead of indulging in unhealthy takeout, consider preparing home-cooked meals that are both delicious and nutritious. You can experiment with new recipes that include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Taking the time to cook at home not only ensures that you're eating healthier, but also provides an opportunity to enjoy the process of preparing food, which can be a relaxing and rewarding experience. Engage in mental wellness activities. Mental health is just as important as physical health. The weekend is an ideal time to engage in activities that promote mental well-being. This could include practicing mindfulness or meditation, reading a good book, or spending time on a hobby that you enjoy. Disconnecting from work and daily stressors, even for a short period, can significantly improve your mental clarity and emotional balance. Spend quality time with loved ones. Social connections are vital for a healthy life. Use the weekend to reconnect with family and friends. Whether it's a casual get-together, a family outing, or a simple phone call, nurturing your relationships can enhance your emotional well-being and provide a sense of belonging and support. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of rest. The weekend is a time to catch up on sleep and give your body the chance to recover from the demands of the week. Aim for 7, 9 hours of sleep per night, and consider taking short naps if needed. Proper rest is crucial for maintaining energy levels, improving cognitive function, and supporting overall health. Mindfulness. Meaning: the practice of being fully present and engaged in the moment, aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. Explanation. Mindfulness is often associated with meditation, but can be practiced in daily activities by paying attention to what you are doing at the moment. It involves observing your thoughts and emotions as they arise, without getting caught up in them or reacting impulsively. Uses. Mindfulness is used to reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance emotional regulation. For example, someone practicing mindfulness might focus on their breathing during a stressful situation to calm themselves. Cardiovascular health. Meaning: the health of the heart and blood vessels, which is vital for overall well-being. Explanation. Cardiovascular health is crucial for ensuring that the heart and blood vessels function properly, allowing blood to circulate efficiently throughout the body. Good cardiovascular health reduces the risk of heart diseases, such as heart attacks and strokes. Uses. Regular physical activity, a healthy diet, and avoiding smoking are ways to maintain good cardiovascular health. Doctors often emphasize cardiovascular health in routine checkups, especially for older adults. Cognitive function. Meaning: the mental processes that include thinking, learning, memory, problem-solving, and decision-making. Explanation. Cognitive function encompasses the brain's ability to process information, reason, remember, and make decisions. It is essential for performing daily tasks and is influenced by factors such as age, health, and lifestyle. Uses. Cognitive function can be improved through activities that challenge the brain, such as puzzles, learning new skills, or engaging in stimulating conversations. It's often assessed in clinical settings to diagnose conditions like dementia. Emotional balance. Meaning: the ability to manage and express emotions in a healthy, stable manner. Explanation. Emotional balance refers to maintaining a consistent and positive emotional state, even in the face of stress or adversity. It involves recognizing and understanding your emotions and responding to them in ways that are constructive rather than reactive. Uses. Emotional balance is important for mental health and well-being. It can be developed through practices like mindfulness, therapy, and stress management techniques. For instance, someone who practices emotional balance might calmly discuss an issue rather than reacting with anger. Nourishing, meaning providing the necessary nutrients or conditions for growth, health, and good condition. Explanation. Nourishing typically refers to food that supports the body's health by supplying essential vitamins, minerals, and energy. It can also be used metaphorically to describe something that enriches or supports overall well-being, such as nourishing relationships or environments. Uses. Nourishing meals are those that are rich in nutrients, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. A parent might ensure their child eats a nourishing breakfast to start the day with energy and focus. Well-rounded, meaning comprehensive and balanced in all aspects. Explanation. A well-rounded person, education or experience includes a variety of skills, knowledge, and attributes, covering a broad spectrum rather than focusing narrowly on one area. Uses. Someone might be described as well-rounded if they excel academically, socially, and physically. In education, a well-rounded curriculum would include the arts, sciences, physical education, and social studies, ensuring students develop diverse skills and knowledge. Nurture, meaning to care for and encourage the growth or development of someone or something. Explanation. Nurturing involves providing the support, care, and attention necessary for someone or something to grow and thrive. This can apply to relationships, children, plants, ideas, and more. Uses. Parents nurture their children by providing love, education, and guidance. Similarly, a teacher might nurture a student's talents by offering encouragement and opportunities to develop those talents. Stress management, meaning techniques and strategies used to control and reduce stress levels. Explanation. Stress management involves recognizing the sources of stress in your life and taking steps to mitigate their impact. This can include relaxation techniques, time management, physical activity, and seeking social support. Uses. Stress management is essential for maintaining mental and physical health. For example, someone might use deep breathing exercises as a stress management technique before an important presentation. Social connections, meaning the relationships and interactions you have with others, including family, friends, colleagues, and the broader community. Explanation. Social connections are crucial for emotional and psychological well-being. They provide a sense of belonging, support, and purpose. Strong social connections can improve mental health and even increase longevity. Uses. Engaging in social activities, volunteering, and maintaining regular contact with loved ones are ways to strengthen social connections. For instance, attending a family gathering can reinforce social bonds and provide emotional support. Adequate, meaning sufficient in quantity or quality to meet the required needs or standards. Explanation. Adequate refers to something that is enough to satisfy a particular need or purpose. It implies that the quantity or quality is sufficient, though not necessarily more than what is required. Uses. It's important to get adequate sleep each night to maintain health and well-being. In a job setting, an employee might be given adequate resources to complete a task successfully.